Oh hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be showing you our room tour.
Oh, didn't know you were coming. Alright, so let's show you your room tour. So I guess he's going first because he's on the bottom bunk.
Okay, follow me over here. So this is my room setup. Down here I have my luggage, and this is our hamper, this is our trash can, this is my little desk, and this is my
like a bunch of movies
this
and
is my
stuff and games.
Yeah, that holds movies and games.
And the cat's down there, if you can see.
Yeah, the cat's down there.
Chilling.
This
I don't see it. Oh, I see.
This is my Switch controller that goes to that right there. I set it up
What
here.
systems are these?
I feel like he's spoiled because he has all these.
Hold on, I'm not there yet. This is my lamp. This is my wallet that's empty. This is my Avengers puzzle that I got a long time ago and I still haven't opened yet. This is my Spider-Man stuff. These are my baby socks here. And then that's Zoe's blanket. This is my blanket. These are all our books and stuff.
This is like a chill area with all the books you can read. And those are my shoes. And then here is the tripod.
Yeah. And then over here, if you come over here, this is my gaming setup. This is my Nintendo Switch. I got this for the Christmas of 2017 or 2018. Don't quote me on that. And this is my case down here. I have my PS4 controller charger. I have my PS4 and my microphone headset. I have my default PlayStation 4 controller and my camo PlayStation controller right here.
And then
This is my keyboard and mouse. This is my keyboard and mouse that I use to play Fortnite and other games. This is my Switch Pro controller with with two paddles on the back that you can map up. I haven't mapped them yet because I have no idea what to use them for. And this is our TV remote, just here for no reason.
to turn on a TV at night time.
And this is an old school, just regular Nintendo that I sometimes play with my dad behind the camera. And
Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, alright.
And if you come over here,
Yeah, come in.
this is my dad's really old school and really expensive Batman the Joker. The Joker from the Batman. I can't speak. Okay.
Now,
Zoe, it's your turn.
let's go up tonight. So, here is the stairs, right here. That's a cat thing. So, here is my bathing suit and my pajamas in this drawer. And then here's my brother's bathing suits and pajamas. And then if you walk up here, you see my bed. Here, you can see my bed. I have a flip-a-zoo. Don't make fun of me for having a flip-a-zoo. I got this like 2 years ago. I don't know. Maybe 1 year ago. I don't know. It turns and it's a wolf that turns into
A polar bear.
polar bear. Like that. Okay. Then I have a Hello Kitty, a Pokemon,
A Pokemon.
sorry, an owl, a Beanie Boo owl, and a Beanie Boo, see right here, Secret Pets,
Secret Life of Pets.
Secret Life of Pets 2, little hamster. Right there. Then this, I have a bunch of these shelves, so I have my face mask. I used to go to sleep, and it's really nice. My glasses case with my extra pair of glasses and my eye pouches. If you don't know what those are, you put them on one of your eyes. It's the one that's good, and this is my bad eye. So I have to put it on this eye, and then someone you can
It's
watch
to
a finger or
it's
something
to-
like that.
Make your weak eye stronger.
And down here, I have these bandanas because if you don't know, the coronavirus is happening, and then I use these bandanas to put over my face. And then I have hand sanitizer
I'm totally gonna get demonetized for saying that.
and extra deodorant. more hand sanitizer, and gummies.
They're not gummies, they're like
Fiber gummies.
they're vitamins.
And then I have my piggy bank right there. So here is where I put like most of my jewelry. All these earrings. This is not sponsored.
Hashtag not sponsored.
Yeah. And then I have my little bow. This is not my initials. Just to say that. And then I have a little bit of earrings in here. These are squishy earrings. You should buy them. They're really cool and satisfying. Have these. And then I have these earrings that I took off last night because they were bugging me. That was the cat, if you didn't know. She's down there. Yeah, she's over there. And I have these little flowers. And then I have this kitty purse with some of my earrings in it. Then I have a headband and some clips over there. Here is like most of my drawing stuff. I have a little notepad and a Sharpie, and if you don't know what these are, they're like one of those pens where you can change the color of any of them. Like, yeah, so it's really cool. And then I have a pencil and a Sharpie. And that is that. And then I have this up here, this little cat box thing. When you open it, you see the picture of me in kindergarten, I think. Maybe kindergarten, I don't know.
I think it was pre-K.
And then it's like all these jewelry accessory things tangled together in there. Then I have this. I have some bubble gum that I got for my birthday. I had to spend my birthday with not anybody except my family. And then this is the Kohl's Slimp. I think it's really cool because if you tap it, it turns on. You like tap it anywhere. And then I have a alarm clock. And then that's it. And then I have the pictures I took.
That are not great.
My Polaroid camera. And then pictures over here.
Turn the mic off.
And the pictures over here. Zach's trying to hide one of his pictures. That picture is from when we went to Universal Studios, probably about a year ago, I think. And then it's my dad. That's me. That's Zach. And that's my grandma. I'm going to show Zach's picture. He didn't want me to, but that's Zach.
That was me in kindergarten,
Yeah, he's really cute.
which if you didn't know, was 5 years ago.
Then I have one last picture
6 years ago. It was
to
6.
show you. This picture. I'm scared to show it. I look ugly in this picture.
You can see.
Look at that. Zach looks fine.
That was us when Chuck E. Cheese was still cool.
And look at me.
No offense to anyone who still likes Chuck E. Cheese.
Yeah, and then there's a bunch of drawings up there. So, yeah, that looks good.
That's-
And, yeah,
that's
and
pretty
then
much
there's
it.
down there where you can, like, have a hiding spot or something like that. So, yeah. And
That's pretty much it.
pretty much it. And if you like this video and subscribe to our channel, it's called The Raiders Family, and check out some of the other videos that I made, and check out some of the videos he made.
Check out some gaming videos. I may post another gaming video tomorrow. I might, but if I do, make sure to check that video out.
And that's it. Bye, guys.